Hi everyone, today we are going to show you how we are coding a new Chevy Camaro key fob. In addition, we'll show you the coding slot, which is very important, otherwise you will not be able to code the new key fob. That's it, pretty easy. Please like this video and let us know what you think. Thank you.
Hello everybody, we're working on a 2017 Chevy Camaro. We are programming the keys. This key is already programmed. It's asking us if we want to program the next key. We'll tell it yes. And we have to press the C. The dashboard says ready for fob 2, meaning fob 1 is already programmed. So I got to press it once. It'll say ready for fob 3. This is where you program the key at. This is where the learning slot is for the Camaro. For the 2017 model. You just lay it in the cup holder, and right now both keys are programmed. Now we got them both out of the cup holder. The buttons work on both of them. And now we're going to close out the programming cycle by simply holding the push to start button for 15 seconds. The machine is going to ask us if we want to program more keys. We tell it no. Please switch the ignition to off. You got to play with the button a few times. There we go. And now it's going to say hold it down for 12 seconds. And that's how you close the programming mode. You simply press the button down and don't release. Until it tells you. And that's it. We're exiting the system. Both keys are working. That's how you program a 17 Camaro with the learning slot right here in the cup holder. Thanks for watching.